Is this thing still on the ramp? Yeah.
Naked drifting.
That sounds even worse. Uh-oh.
It's got quite a lot of oil on it. Yeah.
So we're all wanting to try and get some work done on our cars on the 2-post ramp, but Jeek's E34 has been on there since like February. So let's see if we can get it off and get some work done here. What's happening in here? Is this thing still on the ramp?
No.
Yes?
No.
Get off the ramp.
It's on the space for the ramp.
Right, it's nearby the ramp.
Yeah, it's near
I saw you driving this the other day.
Yeah, I drove it, but it's still touched in quite a few places.
Right,
So now Stuart has done some more little tweaks here and there.
tweaks, okay, so it's ready to drift.
I'm going to try to drift it, but it's wet and raining outside, and it's only got a windscreen.
Yeah, it's not going to doors or anything. It's not Driftland compliant.
It's very, very not Driftland compliant. But I've spoke to the boss.
Yep.
He's a bit of an arsehole.
Yeah, he says you're a dick too.
He says you're a fucking prick. But go on, have a wee shot, mate. Go on.
Go on.
Have a wee
Since,
shot.
since it's bloody Friday.
Since it's Friday afternoon, nobody wants to do any work anyway. We may as well see.
Right, don't mind us.
Don't mind us.
Just for trying to preserve the future of the venue. Don't mind us at all. Jesus Christ, eh?
What were we saying? You're right.
I don't know, what were we
What were
saying?
we saying?
Proof of concept.
Oh yeah, basically I need to drift it to make sure it's not going to hit places.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to paint it and then wreck the
Yeah,
panels.
but it is going to hit places because
Yeah.
it's super low. That's actually not that low anymore.
It's less low.
Yeah.
But it's like where it
Yeah.
has to be for big stupid wheels.
Yeah,
so
when it's on angle and when it's leaning a bit and you got it on lock, so it's
that's that plan. So we were permanently touching at the back when we took it for that test drive the other day. So it's up a little bit. There's a little bit of clearance. I just need to see now if squat and if I can get down the bumpy bits.
cool.
Let's try that.
You're going to get wet.
I'm
Thought we were getting a nice easy Friday afternoon, didn't we?
No, this is going to go badly. Going badly. I can just feel it in my bones.
This is going to be cold. This is it, moment of truth. We'll put my helmet on, put my harnesses on tight because I think it's going to feel like I'm going to fall out the door, and then hopefully it's not going to rub and hopefully I won't crash. It's been a long time since I've driven this thing and it's going to be even lighter than I'm used to. So yeah, it's worst that can happen.
How many laps? A prediction of how many laps before he gets bored?
Oh, 4, 4.5. This is too cold.
Been a while.
I've got the sound recorder in my pocket. I don't been on my bike in a while, eh?
I think this will be the summary of how it will go.
That's why I cleaned my helmet. This is going to be weird.
I'd say unpleasant.
Naked drifting.
That sounds even worse.
Now comes the rain.
It feels like it's starting to rain.
Yeah, ideal. Ideal. So here we go.
After West Links at 60, as requested.
What that?
60.
What?
60.
It's got West Links on it. Yes. Brilliant. Right, let's get rid of some of this stuff.
I can hear some scrubbage.
So far so good.
doing that to try and get some heat?
Your battery's trying to destroy that. Yeah.
Absolutely no sign of touching anywhere. I hit the bumps, I hit the jumps, I hit the curves. Any sign?
Minimal.
Minimal.
Tiny.
Next to nothing.
A tiny little rub there.
Nothing in this thing.
That was enjoyable.
Yeah.
I enjoyed that. That was fun. It's fucking fun. It was weird because the first few laps I had no grip whatsoever, and then the Westlegs got a bit of heat in them, and then they started biting on me every so often, bit randomly. Like, what? More throttle, more throttle. But yeah, not really an issue for this thing. You just get some more throttle.
Successful test though. Uh-oh.
Track's got quite a lot of oil on it. Yeah.
Power steering
I think
fluid.
that's power steering fluids too.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. First drive was a success. It's only touching a few tiny little places, so now I can basically hand it over even more so than I have already to Stuart, wherever he's gone. There he is! And he can paint it, make it look pretty. We can add all the carbon bits and all the other little bits and bobs and make it look beautiful, and then I can smash it all up again. I forgot how fast it is. Can't wait to drive it when it's looking pretty. Bye everyone, thanks for watching.